hold on. Oh.
Fred.
Good day, ma.
How you doing?
I'm okay, ma. Who are you, please?
I may be Mama T now. I don't first go where you dey live before. They tell me say you don't pack come out. Now one of them direct me come here.
Okay. What can I do for you?
Nah, Abigail. Your girlfriend before.
Abigail?
Yeah,
Where is she?
She know they're around. Now she give me address come.
Okay. Let's come inside. We'll go that side.
Now 7 years ago, where Abigail cry come my house. One day cry say you don't give a belly, but you don't want act responsible. Say you deny am. Eh? Have you not understand?
No. I understand what you're talking about. Abigail came to me years ago and she told me that she was pregnant for me. I suggested abortion because I was in school, I didn't have a job, I couldn't support her, not to talk of taking on the responsibility of a child. I couldn't do all that, so I said abortion. When she refused, I denied the child. She ran away. You know, years later, I realized my actions were totally wrong. So I tried to find her, but I couldn't find her.
Now your pikin be this, Jeremy. Now your papa, why you ask me off? Now be this.
Eh? Mama T. You mean say my papa be this?
Now your papa will born you.
Hey, bros, you go well. Eh? If my papa. Come on, Handy. If my papa. Hey! Now, wow. But bros, you no do well. You no try at all.
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry about what happened.
Sorry, you go talk. If you say you kill me that time, you go to tell me sorry now.
You're totally right and I'm totally wrong. Okay, I apologize for all of that. But thank God you didn't die. Okay? And I'm so happy to see you here.
I'm too fine, though. If I where? See my house. Hey! You can't leave me for that ghetto. Make her suffer.
Oh yeah, I don't do come, they go.
Go where?
Me come down, me come they go.
So my papa with this. We die here. I know they go anywhere.
Come down, me they go now.
It's okay. Huh?
So, if you be me, you go.
It's okay. What about Abigail?
Abigail, she don't travel go into you. She go also. She take better for her life. And because people they ask me where the papa, he said come they worry. Where my papa be the bastard. Now I tell her say you no be bastard, come I go show you your papa.
It's okay. Huh? She's my daughter, man.
Your daughter?
Yes.
I never knew you had a daughter.
Honestly, I didn't know as well. I just found out a few moments ago.
Wait, let me try and get this straight. Are you that dumb? You mean you did not know you had a child up till this moment?
Frank, will you keep quiet? But Fred,
Yes, ma'am.
didn't you know when her mother was pregnant?
I knew when she was pregnant, you know, but I didn't know she kept it. I didn't know.
Beg, I don't tire. Make her go sit down. Come on, what are you trying to do? I want to sit down, man. Don't tire. Come on, you get your wretched ass. Think yourself out of that.
Frank, I said keep quiet.
Oh, Mom. Can't you see what she's trying to do? So that she will sit from one place to another. Our couch will now be dirty.
Oh, please keep quiet.
bros, be like say that boy no get respect. So I see they talk to person anyhow.
That's my boss's son. Sorry about that, but I can't. I don't have any power there. Huh?
Make you no try that nonsense again. If I forget the way I go deal with them. I go show am pepper.
Down. That now my Oga's son be that now. That's my boss's son, eh? Please just endure anything they do to you. Please. Please. Huh? It's okay. Mama T, she said that they call you small as well. Small. How did you get that name?
Small shit, they spoil nyach. As I small like this, I they do big things. Now me they run the town. Wow. So, but wait though. I just say now you get this house. I don't know say now ordinary get man you be. Ha, boss, you fuck up, oh. You fuck up. I don't be hungry. Can't give me food, make a shop. You fuck up.
It's not that easy. What would you like to eat? Huh? What's Indomie?
And it's happening so quick. It feels like magic. That's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. I can't say what's happening to me, but I know it's so real. Like the breaking of a new day. Thank God you came in my life. Since you came into my life, everything has changed.
Oh, madam, good morning, man. I'm fine, man. I'm fine, man. I'm very fine. How was your night?
It was fine, thank you.
Okay. All right, man.
Everything has changed. I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. Guess this is how it feels to be touched by love.
Yes, sir. That's exactly what I'm saying. As I speak to you now, the materials for the project has arrived in the support. It's just money once we get the 15 million naira, the project will kick off. Yes, please.
Guess this is how it feels to be touched by love.
Where's your father at the gate, man? Go buy something outside.
Okay, when he comes back, tell him to feed the dog with this food.
Wait though. Now dog go chop this food.
Yes. Do you have any problem with that?
No. No wahala. Dog, chop this food. Okay. I go give the dog the food now. No wahala. I go give the dog. The dog go chop the food.
Joromi? 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 Wake up now. How many times am I going to tell you not to sleep on the floor? It's dangerous. Anybody could step on you. You could hurt yourself. Go inside and sleep. Eh?
See the food where they say make you give dog.
Eh? Okay, the dog food. Okay. Joromi? Come here. This is the food they brought from the house to give to the dog. Mm-hmm. You're sure about that?
Yes.
It's impossible. There's no way they can bring this type of food for that dog.
See, why dog go chop this kind of food? Eh? Why dog go chop this kind of food? Food where me I never chop. You want give dog that kind of food? I don't chop the one where woman being they chop. This one na for dog. Give him dog, you go chop him like that.
What are you talking about? See, this dog is not... I don't understand you now. This dog is not this type of cookie dog. This is a fresh dog. It doesn't eat bones and petty food stuff. Eh? I don't like... You need to stop this. You need to stop this. You're making things very inconvenient for me. How can you eat dog food again? Don't I feed you? You're making me look bad. Take this one. Go and buy Indomie and egg. Then you be eating dog food again.
Indomie and egg for who?
For the dog now. You've eaten the dog food. What do you want me to do again? So the dog will starve?
I want to go anywhere. I want to buy anything.
Say what?
In fact, this morning I know they give you the money again. Why you go buy Indomie and egg for dog?
Listen, Joromi, I'm telling you this thing because I love you, okay? You ate the dog food. I give you dog money. You take the dog money, say you're not going to give it back to me. You're making things very difficult for me. What kind of rubbish is this now?
No, they cage me. No, they cage me. Now because of dog food, you tie me like this. You want chance me. You might even try more. If you want make I go back to my Mati house, I go there.
Listen, calm down now. You don't have to go there now. I'm not saying that you should go, eh? I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay? You know I love you. Eh? Is it the shouting? Is it shouting, Abby? I'll stop shouting. I won't shout at you again, I promise. I promise, I'm sorry.
Okay. If you not say you love me, this morning now you go use and go buy Indomie and egg for me, not be for dog. Agreed?
Yes, agreed. Agreed.
Take the food, go feed the dog. I will make I still chop the bone.
head. Talking to this fool? Come here.
Welcome.
Welcome yourself. You come here. You heard us hunting at the gate, and why did it took you so long to open the gate?
I'm so sorry, sir. I was in the toilet. It wouldn't happen again, sir. Sorry.
You in the We're in the toilet. Eh? Why won't you be in the toilet? Could have slept there now because of my mom's food. Why won't you consume it?
See, Chris. You get mad. See this small rat. Come on, shut up. You're not stop. Now this boy's where mama they cook. They install my papa. Eh? Your mom food sweet. Is something wrong with you? They crazy.
Are you calling my mom food? What is that?
Your mama they crazy. See, if I enter you,
Something wrong with you?
calm down. Make I see with this boy. They mad. See, when I say they crazy, why they talk to my papa like that? Eh? Why they talk to him like that? Because of this fake house, this is your house. Now because you're not getting money, this
Hey,
house.
sorry,
They install my papa.
She doesn't mean it, sir. She doesn't mean it.
Is something wrong with you? If I enter you, you're not going to reach hospital. They crazy.
No, sorry, sir.
It's like something's going nuts inside your head, like your father.
I'm going to kill you for life.
Are you mad? See this small girl that I'm evil? See this small girl? That my mom is even taking good care of. Talk any again. What kind of thing is this now? Oh, I'm not even rest. Small rats, if I catch you. Mom, can you believe that dirty, stupid, stinky girl called me, had the guts to call me rough, and even called your food poison? Sorry about say it.
What happened?
Mom, I don't expect you to be asking me questions now. Just throw the both of them out of this house and get a replacement immediately. Huh? I can't tolerate them anymore.
Frank, you know I cannot throw them out without finding out what happened between the both of you.
Mom, what are you trying to say? Are you trying to say I am the one at fault?
I didn't say that. I have to be factional to hear from both parties before drawing conclusion.
Mom, I hate this part of you. You know that? If Dad were here, I wouldn't hesitate this. He would just do whatever I want. You promised me, and now you're not giving me your word. You promised to keep it, right? I just miss my sweet, beloved dad.
Oh, there you go again.
I just miss him.
There you go again, Frank. And now you've started crying. Okay, fine. Don't worry. I promise you, once I find out what happened, I'm going to throw them away, like you said. I'll throw them out. Okay?
Really?
Yes, but... Fred! Fred! Good day, Fred. Fred.
That's fine.
Lately I've been watching you, and I can see that you're diligent with your work. So I want to appreciate you for that.
No problem. You know, I love my job, so I promise to always do the best I can.
Nevertheless, inasmuch as you're good in your job, I don't want it to jeopardize the relationship I have with my son.
What do you mean, ma?
I allowed your child to stay here because I felt my son would need company and somebody to play with. But lately it's been causing him pain and tears. So I think that you should send your daughter back.
Ma, I totally understand how you feel. But I can't give up on the peace and happiness I just found. You know, sending my daughter back to the ghetto is a big mistake, and I can't possibly make that mistake. Granted, I love my jaws, you know, but can't compare to what I feel for my daughter. So I'll resign. She'll live with me. And, thank you. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. You know, being so kind and generous. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for being more than a boss.
Fred, come back, please. Okay, I'm going to let her stay, but you both are not going to eat from my pot again, since she said my food is poison.
Sorry about that.
It's fine, just please wash my car, I want to go out.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. God, I'm so excited. See. And you. Yeah, for you.
Baby. Fast about that.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe how much I missed you girls. Come, let me pass it to her.
You never told us you employed a double package man.
Back up, what do you mean by double package?
Calm down. I'm very sure that guy watches your bed more than he does with kids. Do not lie.
What are you saying?
But you must say everything that you see.
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry, it's fine. Let her talk. Let her talk. But, you know what? That's even the reason I called you two here, okay? So, I don't know, but I don't know what it is, but I think that I'm catching feelings.
Somebody is in love.
I don't know, I'm just saying, but I feel so uncomfortable whenever he's not around.
Babe, you're in love.
Laura.
What? I think about him all the time, you know, and I just imagine me generally all over him.
God, that's so sweet.
Can you just stop and be serious, please?
I'm serious, girl.
All these feelings for common gay man. Huh? Okay, fine, let me just say, yeah, I can understand the fact that you may want him to warm your bed, but not falling for him, like loving him. No, what?
Honestly, I think I'm in love with him.
You don't have to be silly, please.
What's wrong with you? Laura, darling.
Yes.
Have you bothered to let this guy know how much you feel about him? I mean,
Excuse me?
excuse you.
Well, no. I haven't told him. I mean, I'm his boss. How can I get to tell him that? What if he doesn't feel the same way?
Okay, I'll give it a try. Okay?
Only short and green light.
Okay, what's your problem? Sugar. Laura, my dear.
Yes.
See, in the case of love, I mean true love, age, class, hierarchy does not have a role to play there, babe. So you need to let this guy know how you feel about him. You are a good woman and every man wants to be with a good woman.
Yeah?
Try your best. I mean, that way you will lighten off this heavy load you're carrying. Give him that green light. You know how we do this thing, girls?
I think I feel
Show
you.
him that green light. You see him. Really.
Oh, God.
Really?
You know what, Betty? I just think that you need God.
Yeah, she does.
And I'm going with what she said.
That's my girl, baby.
Well, Betty, I just think that you need God in your life. That's it.
Excuse me. How did you get into our living room? And who gave you the permission to put your leg and sit down? Are you there?
Hey, where you come up for road? You know they transparent. Make I watch this thing. Come up for road.
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to someone? Come on, will you bring down your leg before I call my mom for you?
See this one. It isn't only you get mama. If you call your mama, me too, I will call my mama. See this one. I can't make you carry food for that dog. Because after they look that dog, be like say, you're hungry. Never chop since morning. Better food though. You go feed join juice or wine. Because after they look the dog one kind, they behave like say they tasty too. So make you go bring food for them.
Come on, will you just get out? Get out, you dirty pig.
I beg on this AC. Change this to make us hear what they talk. I don't hear them well. Take, change them for me. You know what? Change them. Change them now. You they do shakara. One make they beg you make you change them.
Get man!
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Take this food. My mom said I should give it to you.
Are you serious? Thank you very much.
Why are you smiling? It's for the dog. At least the dog is far better than you guys. Excuse me, what are you doing? eating the dog's food? After you're saying that my mom's food is poison. Huh? You are in big trouble now.
Babe, come back to the car. Come back. What's happening?
Just you eating the dog food, I'm going to report you to my mother.
What's going on? Is that the dog food? What are you doing
now? Both of you are in trouble. I'm reporting both of you to my mom.
No. Okay, please. I'm begging you, please. In the name of God, please don't report me to your mother, okay? She might fire me. Okay, I don't know anywhere else to go. Don't mind her. She doesn't know what she's doing. Please, I'm begging you. Please, for all the good times, sir. Please. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. God will bless you. What kind of rubbish is this? How many times do I have to tell you not to eat dog food?
Since the time they wait the bait smoke, and I make you the insult you every time.
My friend, shut up. You almost got me fired now and you still have mouth to talk. You're saying that my food is not good.
Hit them now. This is supposed to pass down on
Stop eating. So the dog food is better than the food that I cook with my hard-earned money to feed you.
Hey. Yeah, come.
Hello, man.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, man.
I can see you're good. I know you're fine. You're so handsome. I love your braids.
I'm sorry, man. Sorry.
Stop calling me ma. Okay, my name is Betty.
Okay, Madam Betty. Welcome. Madam is inside.
I get it. It's okay. But I just
Sorry. Madam is inside, man. Welcome, man.
Dump her.
Betty.
Yes, sugar.
Oh my God.
What's up?
I'm good.
This one you came without letting me know. I hope I'm safe.
Yes, you are. I'm so sorry. Actually, I was around and decided to come say hi to you. Is that a bad thing to do?
No, it's not. You know what? I was even going to call you. I wanted to show you something. There is this beautiful dress I bought online, and I'm sure you're going to like it.
Really?
Yes.
Is it?
It's in my room. Come, let me show you.
Okay.
You're definitely going to want to buy one.
Let's go with.
I catch you.
What did you catch me for? I just collected money so that one and give Auntie Betty.
Okay, you can go ask her.
Okay, wait. Auntie Betty isn't the one who sent me to carry the money.
So you be thief. Hey! Put her back!
Okay.
Put her back also. What they command you?
What is your voice? Shh! Lower it. Don't let anybody.
Make I not tell anybody. No command me, not even try am. Make I not tell anybody. Or I go tell Mama say the car done ready. After you go come down on this television. They go! Not talk again. They go, I go shout though. They go! Thief! Thief! As the be, so I mean go get this house now. Because I don't cash you. Where you get, man?
This guy picking I never see you.
Frank,
Yes, ma'am.
you're watching a cartoon with Jeremy?
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice.
Auntie, now you get this bag.
Yes, it's mine. Why do you ask?
Nothing. The bag too fine. I like them.
Thank you, darling. Babe, please let's go before it's embarrassed.
Alright, Frank, darling, you know what? I want to go somewhere with my friends, so take care of yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be back
Take
soon.
care. Okay, take
No
care.
fighting, you too.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't cast you. That's fine. Thief. Don't talk on my back. Don't talk. Waiting. Why you dey laugh? I beg, shift. No dey laugh on my back. Come. Calm down now. Sit down for here.
Come, let's go.
Rose, calm down now. No be me dey run the matter. Calm down. Sit down. True. Hey, what do you want drink?
What do you mean? You get me into trouble, Lou.
I know they put you for trouble. They calm down now. No, they para. Let me they run am now. Calm down. Frank! Calm down.
Oga, small Oga. Good evening. I hope you're doing fine today.
Who is they call Oga? And this why they call Oga? His name na Frank. No be Oga. Oh yeah. Sit down now. Sit down. His name na Frank. No be Oga. Sit down. I know what they do. You. Go bring food for me. Put on plenty meat too.
But I already gave you food and meat.
That one no be my own. Go bring for my pale. My pale won't eat. Okay, no problem. You know one give me? No one. Look at your boss.
Okay. Relax. Make yourself comfortable. I want bring you food.
What?
They say that we they run the town.
Wait, what just happened? When did you start using charm on people? How did you get into it?
I not tell you say I be smart shit with the spoil nyash. I not tell you. Calm down. Calm down. No they rush. Don't be me they run am. Calm down. This one na season 1. You never start to. You'll still see am. No they rush. They calm down. How they put you for trouble? See they fear. Calm down. Where this boy now? Calm down now. No they put me for fear. I know they fear.
You've been sitting here without saying anything.
There's something I feel overwhelmingly within me, and I've been trying to keep it to myself, and it's just been eating me up, and I think I should just say it.
Is it about your salary increment? If it's that, don't worry, I've thought about it.
No, it has nothing to do with my salary. It has nothing to do with money.
What?
I love you. Okay, I know that might sound crazy coming from me. I totally understand that, but I love you with all of me. I can't control it. I mean, I felt like I was going to go crazy. You know, my mind has been running wild, and I realized that the only thing that's missing in my life is you. I love you with all of me. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm sorry if my words upset you. It's the honest truth. You know, with love, you can't control it sometimes. And I feel all these uncontrollable emotions for you. I can't help it. I'm sorry. I love you.
I love you too.
What?
Yes.
You do? Thank you so much.
Bros! 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 Wake up, Jerry. Wake up.
Jeremy, why you wake me up now? What's the problem?
Madam, don't come back. Go open gate. Why do you bring me out? You don't see this clothes? I want to make you wash all of them.
What? How do you expect me to wash these clothes?
No one wash them. No one.
Okay, but I did not say so. Yeah? But the clothes are too much.
It's too much. Oh, you leave them now. Make I carry them go inside.
Okay. Bring the soap. Let me wash them for you. Eh?
Wash and well. Like him.
You said me?
I see you. I see you like him. Toot.
Ah.
You like him.
I like her, honestly. But there's nothing I can do. We're in two totally different classes. There's no hope for me at all. So it's just daydreaming.
You don't mean anything. Go try your luck first. You know that you will say yes. Go try.
I should try.
You like him. You notice of it. I don't stand there since they watch you. No, you like him.
She's fine now.
Yes. You said fine.
Hey, let's say she didn't look here. Is she looking here?
Maybe they look at before.
Hey, but it's like she's looking here.
Go talk to them.
Is she still looking?
Go talk to them.
Wait now.
Be serious.
I want to know if she's looking. Oh, okay.
Don't forget to now. If you don't run and fast. Go talk to them. I'll make a good call.
No.
Yes, come in. Come in. Frank, I thought you were sleeping.
Mom, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Are you okay?
Do you remember the promise you made at Dad's grave?
Yes, I do. I said I was going to protect you and I was going to do anything to make you happy. Why do you ask?
Mom, because of you. You haven't sent the gate man out of this house.
Ugh.
Isn't that too hard? Just send them out of the house.
Frank, I can't just send them out of the house. Those people need help. And their job is the only thing sustaining them. So I can't send them away.
Alright, Mom. But make sure you send them out of this house. Okay? Is that a deal?
I will think about it. Is there any other thing?
No, Mom. Not at all.
Okay.
Who is that dumphead? Dumphead! Where's that dump? Dump, Mr. Fred! Where are you?
Good day. Good dog. How are you doing today?
I'm not doing good. I was calling you inside. Huh? So you just purposely wanted me to come out here. Huh?
No, sir. I was walking. If I heard you calling me inside, I would have definitely come, sir.
Don't worry. I already know you're good for nothing. Take this money. My mom said you should get me peanuts and soft drink. If you like, waste time.
I won't waste time, sir.
I'm waiting for you inside.
Okay. I'll go right away, sir.
Now, go and buy what I sent you. Hi. God. This guy.
I bought what you asked me to buy. I have change.
I can see. As you can see, I'm not blind. So drop it on the table.
Okay, sir. For your change. This table or dining table?
No, drop it on my head. See my head. My head is the table.
Sorry, sir.
Come on, you drop it on the table, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry for yourself. What are you trying to do?
You don't say anything where you buy supposed buy my own. Where my own?
It's like I can see you are very stupid, just like your father. Do you give me any money to keep for you?
No, you know they fear again. Abi? Okay. Make I go tell him what you did that.
Go ahead. As if she even believe you. This small girl.
She not go believe you. So you mean say you go finish this only you?
Hey. Yes.
I will tell you saying that me be small now. Small children. Come on, bring that thing back. I go slap you now. Come on, bring that. Bring that, son. Hey, Ross. What's be the level now?
How you doing?
Are you okay?
Yeah?
Get a question I want to ask you.
Okay, what's the question?
Why you two they fear that boy, that small boy? Why they allow him talk to you like that?
He's Madame's son. You know, that's the hierarchy. I can't just react or do something drastic. If I do that, Madame will sack me. And I need this steady pay for now.
You talk to the mama now. Talk to the mama. Because the way the boy they talk to you, he they even they pay me.
Hey, it's okay. Okay, it's just a matter of time. You have to be patient. I have a plan, okay? I'm saving up money to start a little business. Okay? So just endure a little bit more. Okay?
You get what I want make you do for me.
Okay, what's that?
I want make you follow me, go Mama T, please. Get one bros, I want make you beat for me. Beat and well.
Why would you want me to beat someone? Who's the person?
Auntie, better give me cigar 15. You know the Greek person?
Bros, see, no try him. No try him.
Abesmo, go sit down. Go sit down. Because I follow you talk, Abi. No worry now. I'm at tea. I beg now. Tomorrow I will pay you. Work no day today.
Now lie. I see when you dash one girl all in money. You go work today.
No, they can't see my. You dey mad? Something they work you.
Now China battery go work you.
Martin, I they cause this kind thing, you know. I they cause this can make this small girl no get respect for people for this area. Don't worry now. Normally, my picky where the house and you na the same mates. You no get papa now because if you say you get papa, you go know how to respect person. Bastard.
Now you be bastard. What did they worry you? Eh? So if they leave you now, you go beat this speaking for my front. I say you like so. Come back, go beat him now, so that you go beat me join. If you touch him, enter where you touch him, I go use ball to break your head. You like so. What did they worry you? For my front say they threaten my pikin, this small pikin. You don't get shit for eye? Eh? Yeah, man. In fact, I go arrange area boys for you. Eh? What? Jeremy, anytime way you touch it like him, eh? Say he beat you. Tell me, I go west for this village. I go give a run. What did they walk him? You know that look face.
If you come here, no marry. If not two of us, I go just break bottle for you.
Anytime when you touch it, I can tell me, make I use letter for this village. You know that look face.
Now the bros. Every time you go, they para. The ginger person. I want make you beat them well, make your head correct.
Hey, come here. Jeremy, it's you and I, okay? And I'm making you this promise. Nobody, no matter who they are, will beat you again. I'm here to protect you, okay?
Yes. At least if na head, you go head them. Make sure you wound them for here. Yes. So that if you see me again, you go they run. You follow me, go on my tea place. Beat them well. Make they not see me, I get papa.
Okay, I'll head him for you. If you smile, I'll head him for you.
I just smile now. I wait till I want.
Okay, I'll do that, okay?
Yes. Hey, make we they go. Make we the ball out. I mean, they go somewhere.
Just cheered me up, you know.
Make we they go. Make we the ball out.
Jeremy.
Yes.
Fred!
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please sit down.
I should sit down.
Yes, please.
I hope there's no problem, ma'am.
There's no problem. I hope you don't mind. I wanted to ask you something.
Yes, sure.
Do you have any woman in your life?
Woman?
Yes.
No, madam. No, madam.
No?
No.
But you're handsome and vibrant, so what's the possibility of not having even a girlfriend?
May I speak freely?
Oh, yeah, sure.
In this world that we live in, especially this generation, they're only interested in you because of what you have to offer. You know, so you have to pay with money, not with attention.
So what are you saying, that true love does not exist?
No. I believe in true love. I truly believe in true love. It's just You know, now I have a daughter. That means the world to me. You know?
Yeah.
So I'll need a relationship where I'll take ownership of even the things I didn't do wrong. But truly, I need a relationship where my daughter will be loved as much as I am. You know? Yeah. I know it's a lot of, you know, it will be difficult, but I'll keep praying.
What if a lady proposes to you?
Huh?
What would be your reaction?
Until then. But madam, you know, in this world, ladies don't usually strike first. Let me put it that way. But there's a woman I'm in love with. You know. You're in love with someone? Yes. Definitely. I don't know how to tell her.
Okay. You can go back to your post.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. No problem.
Alright. Yeah, and please wash my car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll wash it. Alright. Thank you, man. Take care, man.
Firstly, girls, he asked me to close my eyes. For a moment, I was confused and nervous. But then, thoughts kept popping in and out of my head. And then suddenly asked me to open my eyes, girls.
Okay, yes. What happened?
Girls, he proposed.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes, baby.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my God, congratulations.
Thank you, girls. I'm off the streets.
Congratulations. Off the streets.
Off, I mean, yeah.
Oh my God, I can't believe this.
Oh, good.
You know what? This calls for celebration. What are we doing here? Let's go out. Anywhere you choose, and the bill is.
That's my girl, baby. I'll choose. I think I want us to do Chinese restaurant.
That's okay. You know what? Let's get ready.
Baby, is he coming with us?
Fred.
Is it?
Fred.
Babe, say something.
Well, Fred told me that he's in love with someone else.
Anyways, what do you expect from a new life? They're like that.
Baby, don't mind her. That's fine. So tell me, did he tell you what happened or you met with the girl?
I confronted him like you advised me to, and he told me by himself.
Oh, my bad.
Friend, Mrs. Advisor, have you just heard?
Betty, please, I don't have your time, okay? Laura. My advice for you all was for good, okay? Don't worry. What will be will definitely be. You see Fred, he will definitely come back to you. Trust me, okay?
You know what? Let's not spoil the mood. Are we going out or what?
Of course we're going out.
Let me get dressed.
Okay.
Betty.
So happy for her.
Betty.
Listen.
I'm happy, but I really feel bad. I feel bad. Yes, I do.
But what can we do? It's nature.
Betty, why you sound...
It's nature. Calm down. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Does your guy have a friend? Good one.
No, Betty, don't even go there. Please.
Enemy. It's okay.
Please.
Hey, Jeremy, my pikin. Says you don't find finish, oh. Eh? And I did they worry myself to say you no fine. Eh? Says your body they shine, oh. Hey, your papa try well. Yes, now when I see you, I believe say you do alright. Thank God oh. See my pikin though. That's you dey fight, that's you dey shine.
How everybody forget to?
Everybody dey fine oh, they ask of you, where Jeremy?
No problem. I go visit one day.
Hey, but you not try, you not try at all. No even say make na visit me, even though na one small one. You know good now. Check am.
No, my papa calls him. If I tell him make we come visit you, he go say nobody go open gate for madam.
No problem. Me, I go use my hand tell am. Say me na try visit me now. Make me self get joy. Hey, my pikin though, don't fight finish. I see and your papa try yo. Hey, what of your papa, madam?
Okay, she come out with her friends.
Yes. Try. Thank God oh. Thank God for my pikin though.
If I don't get the next time, I go fat. All of them no know me.
Yes, like you said, they don't feel know you again. Try.
I fight everybody will call. Block my way.
We go break their head. Waiting. So, thank God though.
Betty, you won't believe it. It's just like a miracle. They paid the money. I never believed they were going to pay me 50 million naira in full.
Oh my God! It's a lie! Where are you now?
Well, I'm on my way to the commissioner's office right now, so he can sign the documents and the project will begin.
Okay then. Bye.
All right. I'll talk to you later when I get home. Bye. 50 million naira paid in full.
Hi, Fred.
Hello, madam is not around though. She left in the morning.
Ah, okay. Actually, I didn't come to see you, madam.
Sorry?
I came to see you.
You came to see me?
Yes. Can we please go inside so we can talk better?
My daughter is sleeping inside, so you can tell me whatever you want to tell me here.
Okay, you see, Laura told me everything. How you have fallen so much in love with me. But I don't know how to talk to me about it. Baby, let me tell you something. The feeling is mutual. Okay, I have just decided to let it out myself.
I'm sorry. I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't understand.
Fred. Fred, I love you. I love you so much. Can't you see? You have rejected all my advances. Fred, am I not good enough for you? Fred, please, I can make you. I can give you any amount you want. I can start you something you call a good job. Fred, please, just be mine. Please, that's all I ask for. Please.
You can use the gates when you finish. Huh? I'll come and lock it.
Hello, Tiger. Now listen, I have just confirmed everything. I Tiger telling her friend on the phone that 50 million naira was paid into her account.
You don't mean it? So how do we strike?
Now is the best time to strike. While driving her to work today, I'll take the road that leads to the old swamp. Then you guys can take it up from there. Let's do this.
Samuel, where are you going to? This is not the way to my office. You have to turn around.
Will you shut up?
What? Oh my God.
Shut up.
Samuel, please, anything you want, I am going to do it for you. Please, what is it? What is it, please?
Now will you get out from the car? Get down now!
Okay, please. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate all you did for me.
You don't have to thank me, Miss Lara. I am only doing my job. You should be thanking one Mr. Fred Adelea, who claims to be your security man. He was the one who called the police and informed us of your driver's plan to have you kidnapped.
Fred?
You should thank him. Such young men are rare to find nowadays.
That was how I found out about his plan. I had to call the police immediately.
Thank you so much for doing that for me. I owe you everything.
No, it's okay. It's my duty. I have to go back to my post. It's getting late already. I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you. Wait, Fred.
Huh?
I want you to stay here with me. I want you to sleep here.
Huh?
Please. I can't stay alone. I'm scared. I'm still traumatized by what happened. Please, I'm begging you. Stay with me. Please.
I can't say what's happening to me.
Please.
But I know it's so real. Like the breaking of a new day. Thank God you came in my life since you came.
Oh, Frank. Frank. Frank.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
The breaking of a new day. Thank God you came in my life. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. It feels like magic, and that's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed.
Good morning, now. How are you? How did you sleep? You slept well?
When you sleep for night?
What kind of question is that? I slept inside now. What kind of...
I wake up and not see you for inside. So I want to tell madam say I no see you. So where you sleep?
Reduce your voice.
I'm sorry you saw what happened. But you should know that I truly love him.
Mom, I don't want to even like him. Or don't you see? He stinks, he's dirty. Look at his palm. Not even glittering like ours. Oh, please.
Fred is a kind man. Or you only get to know if you give him the chance.
Mom, I don't want to even like him. So, do you care about my happiness?
Of course I do. I care about your happiness.
Good. Then send him away. Huh? It's not that too hard. Just bye.
Frank. Okay, I will. But not now, okay?
Okay, I agree.
Are you happy now?
I don't want to ever see that man around you. Alright, Mom?
Yes, sir.
Better, because I like to eat something before I sleep off. Ugh, poor guys. Look, I have come to warn you to stay away clear from my mom. Huh? You get it.
I'm sorry, but the truth is that I really love your mother. I do. And I'm a good guy. Just give me a chance to show you the kind of person I am. Please. We can make this work.
Look, I have said my own. If I ever see you around my mom again, no one will ever see me in this house. I will run away and no one can see me. It's as if I will never exist again. Stay away from my mom. Stay clear.
Something is happening to me, and it's happening so.
Good day, ma.
Good day, Fred.
I wanted to apologize for what happened yesterday. You know, I never meant to cause any trouble between you and your son. You know, I'm very sorry about that. Also, I wanted to inform you that I won't be working here anymore. My daughter and I will be leaving soon, so thank you so much for your generosity towards us.
Fred, you don't have to go. Listen, what happened here yesterday was not a mistake. I feel for you and I want to be called your own. I know I shouldn't be saying this, but I don't have a choice. I love you, and nothing can change that, not even my son.
You know, I don't know if you remember the lady I told you that I was in love with, but I didn't have the courage to tell her.
I think I do.
Well, the lady is you. I fell in love with you from the very first moment I saw you. But I don't want to be the thing that comes in between the bond you share with your child, so I really need to go.
No, Fred, you don't have to go. I didn't ask you to leave. Alright? I'm going to talk to my son. Maybe we'll both work it out together. Ever since I lost my husband, I have never felt like this for anyone. So please.
Okay, but we have to take things slow. You know, I mean, your son threatened to run away if he sees us together again. Hopefully he changes his mind.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll just...
Alright.
So weak. It feels like magic. That's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. I can't say what's happening to me, but I know.
Honestly, I'm confused. You know, I thought if I told Fred how I feel, everything would be fine. But now it's worse because my son doesn't even like him.
Laura, what does it matter? You're the one who is in love here and not your child. Look, try and give yourself happiness. You deserve it. If you give your child so much room, I mean, it's going to ruin everything that concerns you.
Oh, stop it, Sylvia. I mean, who wants to be a stepchild to a wretched man? Stop it.
Oh, will you shut it right there?
Sutsu.
Don't you ever call him names again. You're jealous because he keeps declining your advances.
Betty.
You think I don't know?
Betty!
Yes, I know. I've just been keeping quiet because we've been friends for too long. But listen, don't try to get on my nerves.
I'm sorry.
But you didn't tell me.
Betty. It's so real, like the breaking of a new day. Thank God you came in my life. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. It feels like magic, and that's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. I'm short of words, I don't know what to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I'm short of words, I don't know what to say. Guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I'm short of words, I don't know what to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I am short of words, I don't know what to say.
Mom!
Guess this is
Mom!
to be touched by
Mom! Mom!
something is happening to me, and it's happening so quick. It feels like magic, that's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. I can't say what's happening to me, but I know it's so real. Like the breaking of a new day. Thank God you came in my life. Since you came into my life, everything has changed.
I'm so sorry, dear. I couldn't help leaving him alone in the room.
No, it's okay. It's just I missed you so very much, you know?
I missed you too.
Look so nice.
You too.
Smell even better.
Frank.
I guess this is how it feels to be touched by.
What do we do now?
I'll just have to go talk to him.
Everything's going to be okay.
Let me talk to him.
Guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I am short of words. I don't know what to say. Guess this is how it feels to be touched by love.
Frank? 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 Frank! Oh my God! Frank! 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 Frank, what did you do? Frank! Oh my God, Frank! Frank! Fred! Fred! Frank, don't do this to me, baby. What did you do? Fred! Sir, I'm so excited to have you in my house.
There is no problem. Anything for business.
So what can I offer you? I have 21 years, I have Spanish wine, red wine, just name it.
Old age. Old age won't allow us to take that. So I think water is fine.
Water? Okay, can I get orange juice?
Water is fine.
Water, alright.
By the way, I want to ease myself.
Oh, the toilet is there by the right.
1 minute.
Yes.
I kept my purse here and I can't find it.
Your purse?
Yes.
Are you sure?
What do you mean, am I sure?
Are you sure you kept it here or maybe you went with it to the restaurant?
Listen, I don't understand the game you're trying to play, but if you actually want to play a game, it should not be with me. I came in here with my purse and I have my money, my phones, and so many valuables in the house and I can't find it and you're telling me, am I sure I came in here with it?
You said you have your phone inside the purse?
Yes, my phone is inside the purse.
Okay, fine. Let me just call your number and see.
Where did you get that bag? What are you doing?
Please don't tell my mom.
Oga, stealing is very bad. You should never steal. A good child should never steal, okay? Promise me you won't do this again.
Yes, I promise.
You promise, huh? Alright, give me the bag. You shouldn't do this. You're better than this. Huh?
Okay, then let's go to the back of the house.
Oh, okay.
Fred.
Ma.
Fred, how could you? Fred, is this what you do? So you come out stealing in my house? I don't want to listen to you.
Ma, I can explain.
You know what? I give you an hour to go pack your things and leave my house.
Ma.
What is all this? I can't take anything, but I will not take stealing.
Please go, just go.
I said,
what are you trying to explain? Go! This is the kind of people you keep in your house? Like this.
What kind of embarrassment?
Who is he and what is he even doing in your house?
He's my gate man.
Jesus.
I mean, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for this. I didn't know he was like that. Please.
Please. I think we should continue this meeting in the office. Make sure you throw that guy out. Just a bad.
And what are you doing here? What are you doing with him?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're sorry you stole and now I'm fired. It's all good. Just try not to steal anymore. Try to be a good child.
I'm so sorry. I'll get your job back. To be sweaty, don't cause. I will go there and master a thief.
No.
Please, sweet. Please. I don't want my mom to find out that I'm the one who stole the purse. Please. If not, I'll be in big trouble too. Mom, I have something to tell you. Fred isn't the one who stole the purse. I did. Well, he took it from my hand so you won't be mad at me.
You did what? Fred. Please. Frank told me everything that happened. He told me the truth. Please, I don't want you to go. You both can stay with us, please. Please.
Where would they go now? Where they go again?
My husband was a very rude man when he was alive. He treated all our workers badly. And our son, he was close to him more than he was with me. So I'm sure he learned that bad attitude from him. But stealing, I don't know where he learned that from.
Stealing is a very, very bad habit. It's a crime, you know?
I know.
I think we need to shape him into a more disciplined and obedient child. If not, it's going to bring disgrace to his family. And a good reputation cannot be bought.
You're right. And I'm sorry, I should have listened to you at least. But I promise you, I am going to make it up to you one of these days.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Alright, let us start with. Please, excuse me. I will be right back. Excuse me. I dey come now. Oh. Take it again. Excuse me, I dey come now. Talk another one. I don't sabi that one. No, you haven't. Talk another one. That one too simple. I don't sabi. No be excuse me. Okay. I beg. The dog dey hungry. Go bring food, make I give am. Every time the dog is hungry, the dog is hungry. Do this so. I'm going to go for dog.
Why are you trying to run from this sugar?
Feels like magic. That's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed.
Like I should
You are such a big baby.
I'm a baby, Abby.
Yes.
Can't even deny that. At least I'm your baby.
Babe.
What's up?
You know, I spoke to Frank, and he has agreed to let us get married.
You're joking.
I'm not.
Are you serious?
I've never been more serious in my entire life.
Hey, I love you so much.
I love you too.
I didn't expect him to.
Everything has changed. I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. I guess this is how
beautiful under the sun.
to be touched by love.
I'm dead serious. I'm serious. Wait, let me get the gates.
To be touched by.
Ah, Mama T, welcome. Well, you already know Mama T. That's Jeremy's mother.
Mama T.
My pikin.
Mama be this.
Hey, this pikin you too sharp. So you still carry her face for your head since when I show you inside picture. Now your mama be that one, can't go meet am.
Hey,
baby. How are you?
I did fine.
I don't miss you.
I miss you too.
My pikin, I don't miss you well.
I miss you too.
Hey, you don't become bigger now.
But you not try. You not try. But because my papa leave you, you can't leave me. You not do well.
My pikin, don't talk like that now. I don't leave you. I don't want to leave you at all. This suffer come too much for me. That make me say make I come out, go hustle. I go hustle for you and me. And I dey send money through Mama T to you. I also they take care of you. And this house when you dey, they take care of you well.
Yes, my papa they do me well. I dey shop well. They treat me well. And everybody like him because I be work well.
That one good though. I happy say they take care of you well. But that woman, who she be?
Now my papa madam, but as it is, she don't become my papa girlfriend. So she even good. She dey buy plenty things for me. I want me marry him, but as she don't come back now, I don't know as it will be.
No problem as long as say they take care of you. I happy well. See, you don't become big girl, and I happy say na me be your mother. You hug me, Joe. Don't worry, I go spend time with you well now,
Brad, I think this is the end of the road for us.
What? Why would you say that? You want to give up on us? On everything we fought for?
What do you want me to do? You've denied her love once. And she has a daughter for you. I know you would want all of you together, so just go and be with her.
That was before I met you. Okay? All that was before Lauren. I love you. It's you I love. I don't care about nothing else.
Honey, if you talk for 1 minute.
Just run along. I'll join you shortly, okay?
Okay. It's fine. You can go and be with her. She needs you.
Just don't forget what we share.
Something is happening to me, and it's happening so quick. It feels like magic, that's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed.
Did you sleep well?
Mom.
Yes.
I'm supposed to study nothing. So happy for a while now. What's going on? What's it about Mr. Fred?
It's nothing, my darling, okay? Mommy is very fine, okay?
Well, okay. But don't worry, everything will be okay. Okay? Now, if you know you're so happy, give me
Everything has changed.
My boy.
I'm shut up words, I don't know what to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I'm shut
Hi. How are you? Hello.
Hi.
Please don't excuse me later.
to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I am shut up words, I don't know what to say. Guess this is how it feels to be touched by love.
Mommy. Yes. Papa. Where my mama? Where my mama? She's not there. Where my mama? Where's she go?
Is it?
Where my mama? She's not there again. Where'd she go?
I didn't come back for Fred. I mean, not after everything he has done to me years ago. I only came back to check on my child. Anyway, she told me how you've been taking good care of her. I really appreciate you for that.
You're welcome. It's nothing.
Thank you. I'm married now, so I really don't have problem with you having Fred. I just need you to promise me one thing.
I'm listening.
That you will take good care of my daughter.
I promise.
All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. My baby. My darling. I'm so sorry, but Mommy won't be staying. But I know that Daddy and Auntie will take good care of you. But here is a good thing. I'll be coming from time to time to check on you. Okay?
Sure.
Yes. I am now married to a good man in Italy, so I just have to go back. Okay? I'll miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Alright, baby. Be a good girl, okay? I love you.
Abigail, I'm so sorry for what I put you through. You know, when I realized my mistake, I searched all over the place for you, but I couldn't see you. I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me.
Yeah, I've forgiven you a long time ago. I hold nothing against you anymore.
Thank you.
I just want you to promise me one thing.
What's that?
That you take good care of my child.
Of course. Of course.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Come. Yeah, he's all yours. Take good care of him and my baby.
Of course I will.
All right, I love you guys.
All right.
I love you, baby.
Like the breaking of a new day. Thank God you came in my life. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. It feels like magic, and that's how I can describe it. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. I'm short of words, I don't know what to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I'm short of words, I don't know what to say. Guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. I'm short of words, I don't know what to say. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love.